Alright, so if we hit play and we look at where we were at last time, you can see that our cylinder moves in one direction, even outside of our level that we created. What we want to do is flip-flop between two different directional points. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up our cylinder blueprint. And out here, let's go to the very end by our set actor transform. Let's go ahead and compile this and save it, make sure that we're cleaned out. So I'm going to go ahead and grab out two directions. I'm going to hit set because we want to change the value of these guys. And what I'm going to do is change the y on this one to a -10. And then I'm going to change this one to a +10. Again, compiling and saving. Next thing I'm going to do is right click and go to my flip-flop node. And I'm going to connect my A value here to this, and then my B value this. And so that what that'll do is that'll flip between each one. And then what I want to do is I'm going to have a delay, and that's going to slow it down. And what we'll do is right click here, type in delay. Let's kind of move these guys out. And what we can do with this node is we can delay between the flips. So for example, let's start off with 6 here, and we'll complete it here and click on that. I'm going to compile this, save again. Let's go back to our first person example and let's press play. You can see it moves to the right, and maybe the delay is too long. There we go, and it moves to the left. So we've got our very basic shooting game moving between those two values. Alright, so let's move this guy over a little bit here and back. Now the next thing I want to show you really quickly is you'll notice that if I drag this guy in, it's going to inherit all of the same qualities as this one. So if I press play, notice that now I have two. That's kind of the power behind BluePrints. So I know this is a pretty short video, but I think that's good for now. And what we'll do in the next video is look at adjusting our player controller.